So, a common misunderstanding about Simply Be Found is that we're going to do the work for you, and that is not what we do. We are a marketing tool or a marketing platform that provides you with access to be able to do your own marketing from one spot. This platform is going to make it simple for you to be able to follow a to do list, for you to be able to do the actions that are going to create you the most opportunities to be found by more local customers. So when you first sign up for us, what you're going to do is you're going to create a password, and then you're going to select a plan, you're going to create a password. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to connect your Google Business Profile. And the reason being is that Google Business Profile is your hub. It's going to be that center part of your whole entire marketing piece for you to be able to do the three pillars, which the three pillars inside of this is content, authority, and trust. So as you start to work on those three pillars through the to-do list, you're going to be able to work yourself through each of those steps to be able to get your business found by more local customers. Now, the reason why we created Simply Be Found and why you're going to do your own marketing is because you know your business better than anybody. You or your staff does. They can log in, they can do it, and they can do it very simply. And we have their back or have your back every step of the way. And we have plans starting at free, working your way all the way up. It's a great opportunity for your business to be able to take itself to that next level and give yourself more opportunities to be found by more local customers. And what that means is that means you're going to be found on voice search. It means you're going to be found on local search. You're going to be found on maps. You're going to be found on directories. You're going to be found in all these places. All that matters to at the very end of the day is you're going to have more opportunities to connect with local customers that are searching for the products and services you sell. The more opportunities you give yourself, the higher your sales are going to be, the more leads you're going to get, the better your business is going to be found. So if you're looking to be able to do that, we are not necessarily going to do it for you. And if you're on the premium plan, we will generate posts for you, but you're going to have to send in a request and say, hey, I'm looking for posts based on this. Or I'm looking for posts to be based on this, or any of those things. We can look at your competition. We can tell you that this is where you're lacking or how you should be able to do it, or this is the post we recommend. But you have to be able to connect to us inside of the support channel. You have to take that initiative. If you're not taking that initiative, we have no idea that you need that help and that extra piece. And we don't know your business as well as you know your business. So make sure you utilize the tools to the best of their ability and know that we're not going to be doing this for you. You're going to be doing it yourself. And I guarantee when you do it yourself, you're going to get better results. And I guarantee you that you are going to be found by more local customers. So check us out, simplybefound.com. My name is Rob. I'm one of the co-founders here, and we're here to support you every step of the way.